Guys, what is up? It is Grim Dialist here. We're doing something that we made up called 30 Seconds in the Fridge Challenge. 30 seconds in the fridge. You ready? You got the stinky fridge and everything. Ready? Go. Just hold it like this, Clifton. Exactly like that. Ready?
Yes.
30 seconds in the fridge.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah. Bye.
Hurry up, Patrick. Hi guys, this is Clifton here. Alright, hopefully I look tired here. Alright, bye-bye, we're gonna sleep.
Wake up!
I'm a homeless man, guys, so let me out! Ah, the airman! Hold on. Bye-bye, this is Bob Wycliffe. Hey, you bitch!
Okay, you ready? My turn, get out.
I want to watch the video, I want to watch the video.
No, we can't because it's still recording. You ready? Pull your pants up. Right, and it's my turn, and 30 seconds in the fridge. Hey, hold on, not yet. Hey, my ears are sensitive. Okay, go. Hold on, actually, lay that way. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's down. Hey guys, what is up? My ears are sensitive. Okay, and this is the 30 second in the fridge. Hey, leave me alone. Where's the fridge?
Eating some cookies!
What are you waiting for cookies?
No! Really mature. Like, I'm in a fridge and it's not really good.
You time up yet?
No, I'm actually gonna do a minute.
I'm gonna hurry up.
Then, yeah. It's actually pretty peaceful in here. What are you doing?
I'm leaving. Patrick, I'm going to the bathroom. I'm staying in the house, okay?
Okay.
I'm washing your legs.
Okay. Time's up. Ow! Ow! Stop! My ears are sensitive.
Okay, open. 1, 2,